What's up, guys? It's Marina here.
I'm Emma here.
Welcome back to.
Mango tree!
Today, our parents bought us a chair, but it's not only just a chair, it's a gaming chair.
And it's pink.
So, let's unbox it together.
Come on, guys. Let's do it.
Alright, guys, now let's unbox it. Wow!
Whoa, it's so pink.
I know! The reason why our parents bought this chair because we've been homeschooling for a couple months now. So our parents thought that maybe we need a comfortable chair to sit on.
I can
Whoa,
use this
that's
cardboard.
really just cardboard.
I can use this.
What? This is really heavy. Look at that! Here, let's put it here. The next piece. Whoa! That's heavy.
That's the bottom part.
Yeah.
Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap. We got the thing, the armrest. I think that's what it's called. The other armrest.
Oh, and the bottom of it.
The one that makes it roll, I think. Like the one that's there. Okay.
The
Ooh.
wheels.
The wheels.
And this thing.
This is really cool.
Oh, this thing that if we want to go up,
Oh yeah. Alright. I think that's it. This is the instructions.
Yeah.
Alright guys, now we got all of it out. It's time to assemble it.
And we have the instructions.
Oh, by the way, this is our little Mango sister. She just woke up for her nap, so that's why she's a little bit tired.
Hair.
Step 1 is to assemble all the wheels on the base. So we got our wheels and the base, and we're gonna stick the wheels in these 5 holes. In these 5 holes. Just push it down. Is it like that? Alright. Second wheel.
On.
There you go. There you go. Do you need help? Alright, the last one. First step is done. Now it's time for the next step. Do you know what the next step is?
Check the instructions.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Alright, so we have to put this thing on. Do you wanna put it inside?
Yeah.
Alright, it's on. Alright, now we have to screw this thing onto the cushion. Dad, we need your help!
Dad, we need your help. Hurry.
Alright guys, now that we have screwed, or our dad helped us screw this metal thing onto the cushion, now it's time to put this thing on the base.
Oh, yeah, I'm excited.
I know. Alright, it's good. Now we have to assemble the armrest to make it look like this. Exactly like that. Oh!
Want to bubble wrap?
Yeah. Got it. All done. That took a while for us to do. We're finally done, and now it's time to do the next step.
Oh, Medina, you're so good. Look at you.
I'm getting used to it. Alright guys, I'm telling you, this is hard work.
You're almost there, Medina.
I can do this. I think we're almost done. Let's see if it's all tightened up, because you always gotta double check, you know.
All good, Medina?
Yeah. And to top it all off, we have these white caps to cover the holes and make it complete. Wow, these are much easier than screwing all this stuff. It's all nice now. You like it? How do you do? Alright guys, now the chair is ready. If you had this gaming chair, what color would it be? Ours is pink. What about yours? Comment down below. Bye!
Bye.
Until next time.
Little